Hello viewers, I hope you all will be fine today. I am here with a new project named Wunzu Games. This is their website wunzugames.com and here is the name of the project named Wunzu. So as it is the opportunity for the users and it is already written here and it is the NFT table as well as for the regarding the Binance Smart Chain. It is related to crypto because this is written there Binance Smart Chain BSC network. So what it will be developed? It will be developed from the Binance Smart Chain, and first of all I will tell you some of about their social media links, that this is their Telegram link as well as their Twitter link. You have to follow them on Telegram and follow them on Twitter, as well as join their Telegram regarding the questions with having Facebook, Medium and YouTube. All of these social media links will be joined by you and you have to join all of these. So here we will be talking about the project. Here is the video on YouTube that you can play the game and can earn more and more tokens and more staking, and will be a lot from this beautiful Wunzu Games. Here is the video, you can play it and watch it on YouTube, and here we can guide for all your necessary details. This is their website link. You can click on it and their website will be open in a new tab, and this is their tokenomics as well as the token distribution, that how can the token be here. So here is the token distribution, that how much it will be distributed to the people and all of the things like regarding the change and which are they going to make it happen. So they are encouraging the team and everything, they are working together with a great sense. And here is the seed sale will be 16% and price will be that much BNB, having the token Wunzu will be that much. Cliff will be 1 month and vesting will be 10th month, having a notes upon listing. All of these are written here. The pre-sale will be 8%, having that much BNB price, and token will be that much. So foundation, pre-sale, team, everything is mentioned there, like 10% will be for the team and marketing partners will be 7%, advisor as well as public sale. The most importantly, Wunzu atoms will be 15%, having that much of the token of Wunzu, and community round will be 4%. So this is their tokenomics as well as regarding the project. So you can contact them through their email or you through their Telegram link, as well as we have to see many of them in this video, as there is written that the rural, as it is written that players can the platform and that uses the platform and profit through playing games. If the players are playing game, then they will get more profit through this, and the croupiers will also be there, having a players who have decided to go big, as they are purchasing tables like this and more anything in the rurals like exchange. They can exchange and easily to withdraw and making more and more money through staking and other things like that. So Wunzu is the best platform for you as well as for any other of the situation. So you have to join it as fast as you can and you have to work on it if you want to make some money and want to make some earning like that. So there is the shareholders like that, players have been purchased Wunzu token and staked it, everything I had already mentioned you, and they can share it on exchange and anything else like that. Wunzu tables is also there, so you have to make a like that if you want to make it, and you have to already been able to available for you. So this is their store and you can buy in the stores. You can mostly exclusive items in the Wunzu of that, as I had already tell you. And this is their boards having these unique participate in the games as like that jackpot, etc. clash, maybe that much in the multi Wunzu tournament as well as Ludo and poker times. Like you can earn it as more as you want to do it. And this is their roadmap, that how can they work and which will work they will done in the future as well as they done in the past. So here is they had completed these works because they write white paper, etc. They had write white paper for the project as well as instrumental videos about the project. Already it is completed, and pre-enhancement of the project, creation of community, already it is done, and that will be coming soon, that they will beta version of the platform on Binance Smart Chain. This will be quite nice for the users and they will get more benefit through this, having the releasing first round of the tablet cell, like the table cell and tables, like everything is mentioned. They are adding 2 more games to the the platform and don't know about the game, this will be coming soon and will be announced here further. So this is the contact of the Vunzu Games. You can contact to them, and this is Telegram having a Vunzu official, and Facebook, everything is mentioned there. You can join their quick links and work on them. This is their documents and introduction. You can see more information through this on this website, as well as how to play the games, how to win, and types of user, Vunzu earnings, everything is mentioned there, and their methods and profits, how can you get methods and profit through this, everything is mentioned there in this website regarding the project Vunzu. So it is the best ever project I have seen so far. You have to work on it if you want to make some money, if you want to make some profits. So Vunzu is the best platform for you. Thank you for today's video. We will meet in the next one.